they are still cleaning up the wreck. Like, the fuck?
Look at the waste.
That is someone's major fuck up. Oh, they're in trouble. And another one there. And another one. How far down does this go? Bits of track ripped up there on the ground.
That's it.
Oh, there's
Going all the way to here.
Yeah, stopped right there. Oh, no, still more bits of track there on the ground. Like,
holy crap.
they did something horrible.
I wonder if that's a new track though.
No, that's old.
That's how long they fucking skidded for. From there.
That's where it stops, you guys.
Wow.
Dear God, that's crazy. A minute that took us to go through.